वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। बच्चों अज असीं तुहाडे लई लैके आए हाँ एनुअल एग्जामीनेशन 2026 दे 12th क्लास द जनरल इंग्लिश दी आंसर की। सो मेरे कोल सैट सी है, जेकर तुहाडे कोल सैट ए या बी है तो उस अकॉर्डिंगली तुसीं अपने आंसर चैक कर लेने ने, क्योंकि इस वीडियो दे विच असीं सिर्फ आंसरस ही टैली करांगे। सो सैक्शन ए दे विच साडे कोल है रीडिंग कंप्रीहेंशन, जिस दे क्वेश्चनस नूं असीं ध्यान नाल रीड करना है। साडा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वाई इज बर्निंग गारबेज हार्मफुल अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैसेज। So the answer hints in the second passage, in the second line. No sooner is garbage burned than poisonous gases are released, polluting the air and harming human health. So our second question is, which attitude of people is criticized in the passage? So our second answer is in the first paragraph, people throw waste material carelessly without thinking about its effect on the environment or public health. Question number third, mention any two simple actions suggested in the passage that can help minimize the amount of garbage. So our answer is in the third paragraph. The two methods are reusing and recycling. Question number fourth, explain Gandhiji's statement sanitation is more important than independence in the context of the passage. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ explain करना है। साडा आंसर जो हिंट है सानू इत्थे मिल रहा है, freedom has little value if we cannot live in a clean and healthy environment. So we can write it, political freedom is of no use if people cannot maintain healthy environment and clean environment. Question number 6, 4 neighborhoods face improper waste disposal. Neighborhood A dumps garbage in large drums that are emptied once a week. Neighborhood B burns garbage regularly. Neighborhood C segregates waste but leaves non-biodegradable waste in open bins. And neighborhood D dumps garbage in an open landfill. Which neighborhood is at greatest immediate risk to human health? So the answer is neighborhood B, because burning garbage immediately release toxic gases. Question number 8, what kind of waste are commonly seen lying on city streets? The answer is in the first paragraph, plastic bags, food waste and broken items. Our question number 9th is, in what way do stray animals worsen the garbage problem? So our answer is also in the first paragraph. Stray animals often tear open the bags, making the situation worse by scattering the waste material. Question number 10th, enumerate any two delayed consequences of improper waste disposal. Our answer is here. The two delayed consequences of disposal are blocked drains and spread of diseases. So we are on the second passage. First question is, what do you mean by term brain drain? So the migration of highly skilled and educated people to work abroad is defined as brain drain. Question number 2, enumerate the push factors to lead the brain drain. Low wages and lack of satisfactory working and living conditions. Third is, fill in the blank with a suitable word from the passage. Every citizen must contribute to the development of the nation wholeheartedly. Question number 4th, we have matching column A with the meaning in the column B. So conflict means disputes and reduce means decrease. Question 5th is, the term brain drain is also referred as. The answer is human capital flight. Question number 6th, brain drain has terrible consequences on the economic development of the dash. Answer is A, sending countries. So in section B, writing skills, grammar and translation. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 साडे कोल है प्रेसी राइटिंग, जिसनों असीं पंजाबी दे विच संखेप रचना बोलते हाँ। सो इसनों तुसीं अपनी वर्डिंग दे विच ही लिखना हुंदा, इसदा 1/3 पार्ट करके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वी हैव लैटर राइटिंग। सो लैटर राइटिंग का एक प्रॉपर पैटर्न है, सेंडर्स एड्रैस, रिसीवर्स एड्रैस, डेट, सबजैक्ट, सैल्यूटेशन। उस तो बाद साडा कंटेंट, कंटेंट नूं असीं तीनों पैराग्राफ्स दे विच लिखना है, BP1, BP2 एंड BP3। BP1 दे विच असीं अपनी प्रॉब्लम नूं एड्रैस करना है, BP2 दे विच उसदी करंट सिचुएशन दसनी है, BP3 दे विच असीं कुछ मैथड्स ने, कुछ वेज ने जिहड़े सुजैसट करने ने उसनूं सॉल्व आउट करन दे लई। सो दोनों पैटर्न, दोनों दे विच लैटर्स दे विच सेम पैटर्न तुसीं यूज़ कर सकदे हो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एक्सप्लेन द न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन और ईमेल राइटिंग। सो इस दे विच भी असीं ईमेल राइटिंग एक प्रॉपर पैटर्न दे विच लिखना है, फ्रॉम abc@gmail.com to xyz@gmail.com, then subject, then content should be in 3 to or 4 lines. Question number 5 we have translation. रणवीर clicked the beautiful photograph. रणवीर ने एक सुंदर फोटो खिंची। We have not realized our mistakes. असी अपनियां गलतियां का एहसास नहीं किया है। इंग्लिश इज़ माई फेवरेट सबजैक्ट। अंग्रेजी मेरा पसंदीदा विषय है। ट्रांसलेट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेज इनटू इंग्लिश। ओह उम्र विच मेरे तो वड्डी है। शी इज़ एल्डर दैन मी। बकवास ना करो, डोंट टॉक नॉनसेंस। ओह शीशे सामने अपने वाल वाह रही सी। शी वॉज कॉमिंग हर हेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर। डू एज डायरेक्टेड वी हैव on question 6 the applied grammar. Rewrite the given sentences after removing to. So when we remove to we use so and that. He is too proud to learn. He is so proud that he cannot learn. Rewrite the given sentence after removing no sooner and then. When we remove no sooner and then we use as soon as. No sooner did he start his bike than the petrol finished in the fuel tank. The answer is as soon as he started his bike, the petrol finished in the fuel tank. Rewrite the given sentence using unless. If you study, you will pass. Unless you study, you will not pass. On the part B, passive voice. He will not harm you. You will not be harmed by him. The hunter has shot the animal. The animal has been shot by the hunter. Learn your lessons. Let your lessons be learnt. In the part C, indirect speech. My sister said to me, I don't like mangoes. My sister told me that she did not like mangoes. Tarun will say, I was sleeping. Tarun will say that he was sleeping क्योंकि जदों साडे कोल रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस या फ्यूचर टेंस दे विच हुंदी है तां असीं इनडायरैक्ट दे विच टेंस है जिहड़ा चेंज नहीं करते। पार्ट डी डिटर्मिनर्स। डैश स्टूडेंट्स वर एबसेंट टूडे। सो हियर आर 3 पॉसिबल वर्ड्स, सम, अ फ्यू, मैनी। सेकेंड इज डैश गीता एंड सीता रैन द रेस बोथ। How dash butter do you need? How much? In the part E, we have non-finites. First is some people are fond of talking because we have to fill gerund form. He made me dash a lot. The verb given is laugh. So here we fill bare infinitive. Laugh ही रहेगा. Part C, we have literature. On question number 7, objective type questions. Which sense did Helen Keller use first to understand the words? उसने केड़ी चीज़ सी जिहड़ी अंडरस्टैंड करन दे लई लैंग्वेज नूं यूज़ कीती? टच। What did Lucy aspire to be? A singer. State whether the following statement is true or false. Her son was very arrogant. It is false. Dash is the writer of the Gold Frame. So the Gold Frame is written by R.K. Lakshman. Dash is the protagonist of the story The Barbers Trade Union. Barber Trade Union जैसे हीरो दसना है means उसका main जेड़ा character है that is Chandu. Which of the following statements about Bolli is not true? The last one. At birth Bolli was fair but ugly. Were the children playing on the ground really physically handicapped? We all know that they were not really handicapped, they were just acting. No, they were healthy. 8th is the name of general's brother was Vladimir Ivanich. Question number 9th, dash is the writer of the chapter Gadri Babas in Kalapani jail, Harish K. Puri. What shall I do? I can't play without a clean shirt. Who is I in the above lines? John Philip Sousa. So on question number 8 we have stanzas from the poetry section. The first stanza is from the Aquin Green poem. Name the poet. William Blake. Write the rhyme scheme of the last 4 lines in the given stanzas. So the given stanzas we have to look at the last words and the rhyme scheme is AABB. Name the figure of speech used in the given lines. The figure of speech is personification. What purpose does the ringing of the merry bells serve in the poem? The merry bells ring to welcome the spring. Our second stanza is from the Road Not Taken poem. The poet is Robert Frost. Which path did the poet choose to travel? The lesser traveled path. Write rhyme scheme of the given stanza. A, B, A, B. What does the poet mean the word different in the last line? The poet hints at the difference between the ordinary and the extraordinary, or how his choice made his life. So on the part B we have central ideas on friendship and on his blindness. You can write it. On question number 9th, what did the narrator learn at the well house? The narrator learned the mystery of the language at the well house. Why was the narrator deeply moved? The narrator was deeply moved by the devotion of the 2 boys to their sister. Third is, what made the driver and the mechanic choose their roles? They choose their roles because the mechanic was blind and the driver has only one arm. Why couldn't Philip work at the bakery? Philip couldn't work at the bakery because of the tiring work. How could the liftman have avoided the trouble? The liftman could have avoided the trouble by being very polite. So question number 10th, why did Boli refuse to marry Bishambar? Because Bishambar was mean and a coward guy. What does the author tell us about Miss Beam? The author tells us about Miss Beam that Miss Beam was very understanding and impressive lady. Why was Chandu not good at doing sums at school? Chandu was not good at doing sums at school because he had to go to learn the work for the barber. And question 3rd is, why was Chandu not good at doing sums at school? Chandu was not good at doing sums at school because he did not do any homework given by the teachers and he went work as a barber. So on question number 11th we have long questions. Write in brief what do you know about Ghadar party. So is the answer ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ Ghadar party ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ brief ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ establishment, Ghadar party ਦੇ key members, then ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਚਲਾਈ ਗਈ resistance movement. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ draw a brief character sketch of Sudha Murthy. ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਸਟ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹਸਨ's attendance problem ਦੀ ਰਾਈਟਰ ਹੈ Sudha Murthy, ਉਸਦਾ character sketch. Question number 12th, draw a brief character sketch of Ochu My Love. ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਅ ਕਮੇਲੀਅਨ. ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ Ochu My Love ਦਾ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਗਿਰਗਿਟ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਮੇਲੀਅਨ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਬਰੀਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. Datta found a solution to his problem. Did it really work for him? Justify your answer. So Datta ने ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੋਟੋਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹ ਡੈਮੇਜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਉਸਦਾ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਮਿਲਿਆ? ਯੈਸ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਉਸਨੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਰਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੋ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.